Have you ever wondered how the mutton gravy served in restaurant is so soft and tender? Well, this post will help you make one such dish with very basic ingredients and simple steps. So, let's get started. I have taken 1 kg of mutton. Marinate this with salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, curd, mustard oil and lemon juice. You can also use any other oil, but I prefer to use mustard oil. Mix everything well and keep this aside for 1 hour. In the meantime, chop the onions very finely, slice the tomatoes and slit the green chilies and keep them aside. Now take a heavy bottom pan or kadhai and add oil to this. Again, I am using mustard oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Fry the potatoes until they are golden. Add turmeric powder and salt in the process of frying. In the same hot oil, add bay leaves, dry red chili and some whole spices. Please refer the description box for the exact ingredients of the recipe. Add the onions and fry them until they become light brown in color. At this point, I have added 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar will caramelize and it will give a nice color to our gravy. Add the crushed garlic and ginger paste. Saute this for a while and then add the tomatoes and green chilies. Wait for the tomatoes to be little soft. Then add salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Saute all the masalas for about at least 5 minutes. Now add the marinated mutton and cook the mutton with all the masalas very well, at least 15 to 20 minutes. This step is really important. Now pour this to a pressure cooker and add water. Tighten the lid of the pressure cooker and let the whistle blow for once in high heat. After that, cook this for 10 minutes in low flame. Now turn off the flame and release the steam of the cooker. Now add the fried potatoes and crushed black pepper. Add a little bit of water. Cook this in medium flame for 2 whistles. Let the cooker cool down by itself and then open the lid. Mutton curry is now ready. Serve this with plain rice or chapati and enjoy.